Hey guys, how are you doing? So I finally got the MoveOS 3 downloaded on this standby scooter I've received from Ola, and it took about 30 minutes to download. So it's finally here. So I'm going to install it now. I'll be timing this installation. So I'll be fast forwarding it to about 8 times the normal speed, and I'll let you know how much time it actually took for me to install it. Now I have started fast forwarding it to 8 times the speed. So enjoy the complete walkthrough. I'm not stopping here, it's just fast forwarded to 8 times. After the installation, I'll be doing a quick walkthrough of all the features of MoveOS 3, and if I'm missing something like hill hold or hill assist feature, which some of us have started reporting that they do not have those features. So I'll be checking on those features. So after this update, I think it will reboot once and then install some other updates. And while installing those updates, it may access the Geo 4G network again, because last time in MoveOS 3 beta, I got the installation completed quite fast because I was connected through Wi-Fi all the time. Now this time, since this is a standby scooter and I did not have access to OTP, to go into diagnostic mode, and from there exiting the diagnostic mode to go to the tablet mode of Android OS, and normally configuring Wi-Fi there in tablet mode like we do in any Android tablet or mobile phones. I do not have that access on this particular scooter, so I'll be just doing it over Geo 4G connection. So it's currently doing it, and it's doing it at 8x. I'm trying to see if I can adjust the angle of my camera. I have somehow awkwardly connected my tripod here on top of the scooter. So this is the best I could have, I could manage to capture the screen. Okay, it is still taking some time. Hopefully I'll get my scooter today, and hopefully I'll be able to install MoveOS on my scooter, because they have just kept it without doing anything yesterday. They knew that I have to review MoveOS 3, but they just gave an excuse that they were busy installing MoveOS 3 on all the scooters there at the workshop, which really doesn't make sense to me, because installation happens automatically and they don't really need to do spend time on installing those MoveOS 3 updates. Anyway, so how are you guys doing? Are you enjoying MoveOS 3 release? How do you find all the new features? I'm sure those who were on MoveOS 2.0, they got really exciting features. Now after the reboot, I noticed that the screen has gone into a full brightness mode. So it's either full or close to full brightness. So it has definitely reset the brightness levels, just like it did on MoveOS 3.0 beta. Okay, so it did install the updates and now it is rebooting. Now I think this is the reboot, and now enjoy the demo. Let's see what is new. Finally it's done, and I think it only consumed 1% of battery, because I remember it was showing 55%. So if I tap here, it will show the range, which is good. I think I'll be more interested in knowing the battery percentage, because the range is anyway tied up with battery percentage, and it changes when I move to hyper mode or something, which doesn't make sense because I get the same range as normal mode in hyper mode or sports mode or whatever. Okay, so I think this view is good, and you get decimal reading for trip. But I hope they also add a feature where you can reset the trip as per your own wish, because I don't like the trips being reset overnight. Several times I travel overnight, so I would like the trip to keep a tab of my entire travel for that particular trip, and I should be able to reset it manually here somewhere. So I hope they will bring this feature in the next update of MoveOS. So quickly going through the features. Now I like granular controls of system sounds, etc. Now I don't like to reduce the indicator sound, but unfortunately that is how it is. I don't like mood sound, so I'll keep it as low. Media volume I can change anytime. I think the touch response has got improved. Yeah, they have removed the automatic headlamp feature for some reason. They had added one feature of automatic high beam at sunset, which they have removed on the release version for some reason. Riding, I like the low mode, low regenerative braking. And hill hold, interestingly, it is saying coming soon on this scooter, probably because this scooter was not on MoveOS 3 beta. I'll have to check on my scooter. In this scooter, hill hold is not available. Okay, I saw this in the starting animation, but for some reason it is showing hill holders coming soon. I like vacation mode. Scooter will shut down and go into vacation mode after locking. Oh, this was interesting. In MoveOS 3 beta, it was not going to vacation mode immediately after you enable it. In this one, it is going. Let me unlock it again. I like the low volume of sound. What else? Display settings. Auto mode is still taking time to load. I like the brightness to be lowest. Modes, eclipse, bold. I like the bold theme. So you should be able to just tap to activate. Anyway, I'm applying it. Okay. What else? Music. It starts the animation again. I think this is good because now the animation volume is low. you have the document section. So instead of this thing, soon you'll be able to upload documents. You should be able to see the documents uploaded from your apps. Okay, so one feature has gone from the beta update for some reason. The auto headlamp, the auto high beam feature. Probably because it doesn't really make any sense. There should be an auto low beam feature. Anyway, I think that's about it. For some reason, hill hold control, hill hold assist is not here. This update on this particular scooter. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.